that I done my Tata Power solar project.
Tata Power solar. Okay.
That
mechanical part or electrical part?
Overall parts. This is also solar rooftop, how to solar array tracking system, everything.
The electrical, how much connection you have with the electrical system?
Electrical system also mechanical system and floating solar concept.
Okay. That is the new area.
New area. This is a hydropower plant also introduces the floating solar concept.
Okay. Yourself is?
Kamal Sarkar, and I completed BTech from Delhi Technological University.
DCE.
And I have done a 1 year apprentice from the Airport Authority of India.
Okay.
In electrical part.
That is the power distribution system.
Yes, sir.
You are aware of it?
Yes, sir.
That is the 11 kV or
11 kV.
About me, I should also, because I have acquired from you. I'm a graduate in electrical engineering from Jalop University in the year 1977 batch, but passed out in January 1978 for the session delays or because of the disturbances in which we want to take. Session was delayed. Anyway, after passing out, I worked a few weeks in Calcutta Electric Supply. You must have heard of distribution company.
Yes.
Irrigation, distribution power, total power. I have seen distribution network there in Calcutta for quite some months. But I have not worked that way in Calcutta Electric Supply that way. Working with own hands, I have seen. And I consider that those at that point of time they are the best in the country. Anyway, that's one part. Then after a few weeks, I left Calcutta Electric Supply and went to Renu Sagar Power Company Limited. It is in Uttar Pradesh, Mirzapur district. It is a captive power plant of NALCO, Hindustan Aluminium Company. That Aditya Birla movie must be knowing. So I went there. I joined in the first in the maintenance. Then I was switched to this expansion program. Expansion program was for 2 units of 77 megawatt and 1 spare boiler of 275 tons per hour. So that was the project size at that point of time. So I stayed there 78 to 82 June. I was there, and unit commissioning also was there. Power distribution, unit commissioning, motors, switchgears, generators. I was associated with that. I got a good exposure there, first time exposure. Consolidated 4 years, I had a very tough time. Tough time means I got a lot of opportunity. I did not want to miss any facet of electrical engineering at that point of time. So I got a good experience for 4 years. Then I left and went to Indian Oil Mathura Refinery. You must have heard Indian Oil Mathura Refinery. So totally different petroleum, hydrocarbon sector and switched. After that, I was there again for a few weeks. Then I left and joined M.N. Dastur and Company Private Limited. It is a consulting firm. Those days they used to have consultancy for steel projects, steel plants. Tisco, then Vilai, then Bokaro, then Vizag. I was associated with Vizag steel project in Andhra Pradesh. You must have people must be it's got power distribution engineering within the plant. That is the 220 kV network, 220 kV network, 11 kV network, 6.6 kV network. So that was within the plant. That power distribution system engineering was my domain. Tendering, tender specification, and drawing approval and all this. I was there for 1.5 years. Then I left that company after 1.5 years. I went to then National Aluminium Company. You must have heard a company, aluminium company in Odisha. You must have heard. NALCO. I was there for 4 years in the power plant. It was a 5 into 120 megawatt those days. That is a 5 into 120 megawatt project. I worked up with 30 unit commissioning for 4 years. Then I left that company and came to NTPC. NTPC in transmission projects. My posting was in Kanpur, looking after the commissioning, testing and commissioning activity of the entire northern region. So that also a great opportunity I got. Very few people get this kind of opportunity. That is testing and commissioning of the whole northern region. And our northern region was the power hub at that point of time. So Rihan, Singrawali, all these power plants had come. So criticality was also there because this is a national capital, Delhi, feeding Delhi, coal pit head stations, a lot of challenges were there. So I got a good exposure in that. Then on that government directive, I was transferred to Power Grid Corporation. Power Grid Corporation 91, I was transferred along with the transmission assets, and I worked there till 2015. I retired as general manager, operation and maintenance. Basically, it was a general manager of waste operation services. Then after 2015, I continued in Power Grid as a consultant. I was for 2 years. I was in Delhi for Delhi transmission system improvement project, strengthening project. I was there for 2 years. Then I was shifted to railway project. Power Grid got a railway consultancy job. I was shifted to railway electrification work. So 100 kilometer Bihar, Mansi, Madhepura, Mansi, Saharsa, Madhepura, that 100 kilometer electrification, especially signaling work, I had a very good association. So I worked in that. So this is my brief exposure in the power system. This is the, so, the basic problem, I got a diverse exposure. It is a blessing that way, of Almighty, that we could get that opportunity. So anyway, over the years of experience, what I have gained, I would like to share with you. So according to this PPT, I have prepared. So it is not a stereotype kind of thing. The more exposure will be there on site problems, commissioning problems, because you people are directly connected to the system. So theory is less in my presentation. More will be practical problems, their solutions. One thing I wanted to ask you, are you aware of these fault calculations? How to calculate fault calculation? How to fault calculate? Can you do it? No, nothing. I am not taking an exam. I am just asking. Are you aware of it? Yes. You can calculate fault level. Huh? Yes, fault level. Network fault level. That source impedance, source impedance. Anyway, are you aware of it?
Sir, exact formula, basic idea I have, but exact formula I don't have.
The formula is the same. Formula is only one. Base MVA divided by source impedance, fault impedance into 100. That's all. That is the fault impedance. Per unit calculation with the per unit calculation or PU or percentage, जो भी है, using that data. Can you do it? Are you aware of it?
But थोड़ा सा अभी तो भूल गया हूँ, मतलब
भूल गए. So should I do it? Because how to do it? How to do it? Because you see, when I entered this industry, I tell you in Renusagar, I had a problem. Is I was preparing the 6.6 kV switch gear tender specification, technical specification. What should be the problem?
Sir,
Exactly 3.3 kV switch gear. Yes.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है सर, थोड़ा सा प्लीज सर, वॉइस नहीं क्लियर है.
वॉल्यूम स्लो है, वॉल्यूम इसकी भी धीरे आ रही है, टेक वॉल्यूम
कैसे करें?
वॉल्यूम उसका आएगा. तुम अपना फोन का वॉल्यूम थोड़ा सा बढ़ा दो.
बट तो दिक्कत नहीं
है. वॉल्यूम जो है ना वो थोड़ा सा बढ़ा दो.
Is it?
Sir, when you are speaking, if you are near to this system, then it will be audible to them, sir.
Okay, I have to be here.
I mean, थोड़ा नजदीक रहेंगे
यहीं पे रहे तो ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Okay. If I install that in, then that is good. Okay.
मतलब सर आप वहाँ पर चेयर में अगर बैठे बोलेंगे तो सबसे अच्छा वो लोग
नहीं बैठ के बोलने से ना.
कोई बात नहीं है तो वैसे
It doesn't matter, sir. Actually, you can roam also, but it should be somewhat louder.
Okay, louder. Okay. You see, when I was preparing the technical specification, what should be the fault area? Because you are putting new machines and system has also improved. System has improved, generator might have added in the system. It is a UPSC system. Generator might have added. Then parallel lines might have come. Then transformer might have added. So all are parallel. Parallel means impedance gets lower. So fault level also go up. So this is the philosophy you must be aware of. So I did that calculation manually. So because you see those days no such facility was our computer studies and all those things, those were not available. So after coming out from engineering college, I did that task to do it. So I did it. But my general manager those days could not rely on me because I was a novice, whether it is correct or not. So if something goes wrong, then whole thing will go very useless. So you asked me, wait, I will tell you. One day he called me and told that he knows the person, he knew a person in Delhi. You go to him and then get your calculation checked. About him, he came to Delhi. And within 2-3 minutes, he said, yes, it's okay. See, this is the level of experience of the person. Within 2-3 minutes. And I was given time for only half an hour or like that. Delhi I came, that is those days 79. I was only 24, 29. So I went to him, I came with a whole set of documents, including circuits and all those things. Yes. So what should be the consideration? Then I asked him one thing. Sir, can I ask you one question more? What are you asking? Well, my cable sizes are going very high. I could not understand what is the reason. Then he said, he asked me a question, which impedance you are considered for generator. Are you able to hear me?